I laughed at verse 5. It says, surely I was sinful at birth, sinful from the time my mother conceived me. Isn't that the truth? Since the fall of Adam and Eve, you can go back and read in Genesis. Genesis chapter 1, 2, and 3. I believe 3 is the fall of Adam and Eve when they disobeyed God. And because of that, the Lord had cursed them. There was a curse for their disobedience. There's always consequences for our disobedience. And so now, as generations passed, the bottom line was we're born into sin. You just can't help it. You wonder why. Like, why is this innocent baby, like 2 years old, like I didn't teach him to do certain things, and it's just natural in us. It's natural, their human nature of sin is in us since we're born, and that's what David's talking about. Who's